How to fix Siri voice not working on iPhone. If your Siri voice is not speaking and listening, then to solve this video is for you. To solve this issue, first of all, what you need to do is launch your settings application you have on your device. From there, scroll down, there use the Siri and search option, tap on it. Now go through Siri responses and make sure that it is set to automatic. Make sure that it is not in the silent preference. Once you check that, go through the Siri and search listen for and make sure that it is not turned off. Now scroll down and toggle on all of this option. Once you do all of this, your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.